This is the outdoor remote weather station, and it is showing the temperature and the humidity. This is installed outside, showing the temperature readings. It is kept in the open area and not directly facing the sunlight, because you can see this is installed right in the open area but not in direct contact with the sunlight. Here you can see the 3 radio antennas that I'm going to show you and detail you in later videos. So the weather station, remote weather station, is transmitting the data to the unit inside. The unit inside is then further relaying the data to the internet, to weather underground. So here you can see the temperature outside and the Wi-Fi signal. So this is transmitting the data to the internet. So yes, this automatic weather station is first of its kind that is installed in Siliguri, West Bengal in India, because from Siliguri I could see none that were transmitting live weather data to the internet. So I did a little bit of research and managed to install this weather station here at Siliguri. And yes, the make of the weather station is Ambient weather, and the model is WS-0265. This is a very simple weather station unit. It has an outdoor sensor, and that outdoor sensor is transmitting the data to the unit inside. And what the unit inside does is that it relays the data to the internet servers all around the world. And this process is fully automated. The information coming from the sensor outside to the mother unit inside is done every 1 minute. After every 1 minute you are getting the data to the mother unit, and from the mother unit the data is sent wirelessly through Wi-Fi to the internet, to various servers. So this is a very cost-effective unit. Very minimum amount of human intervention is required, and the maintenance is also as to nil. With such type of weather stations, one may get real-time live weather update in his or her area. This data that is transmitted, you can view it with any internet connected mobile or PC. So this helps us to determine the current weather around one's area, and that is personal. You will get live personal weather updates from your area every single minute. So if you want to know more about the weather station that I've installed here at Siliguri, I have given you the link below. You can check out my link and find out about the weather station. I have written a small article regarding the station and also about the weather related topics. So you can go to my website and see my writings there. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you again with my another video. So I hope you would definitely subscribe and like if you like these types of videos, technical videos. Thank you very much, and once again, see you soon.